Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock cities in GTA San Andreas. To access the full map, you need to advance through the main storyline. Initially, you're confined to Los Santos, but completing specific missions will open up the other two major areas. It's a straightforward process that ties directly into CJ's journey. Just keep playing the story, and the map will expand naturally as you progress. To unlock San Fierro, the second major city, you must complete the mission titled, "Are You Going to San Fierro?" This pivotal mission takes place after you've spent some time in the countryside, following your departure from Los Santos. Successfully finishing this mission will grant you full access to San Fierro and its surrounding areas, opening up new opportunities and challenges in the game world. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, are you tired of messy meal prep? Make your life easier with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The final city, Las Venturas, becomes accessible after you complete the mission Yay Kaboom Boom. This exciting mission is a significant part of the storyline that unfolds while you are operating out of San Fierro. Once you successfully finish Yay Kaboom Boom, the desert city of Las Venturas will be fully open for exploration, offering new missions and activities to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.